So this is a tree that's filled with bugs, right? And there's many of them with green lights and a few with red. Look at this. There's many trees over here. This is the only one with these bugs. It's amazing. This is God's creation. Look at this, watch. Look at that. Look at how they do that. That's crazy. I absolutely love it. So I'm out here camping and there's many trees around me, but this is the only tree every night that's lit up by these bugs. There's green lights, and if you pay close attention, you'll see a little bit of red specks. And look at that. They do like these unique patterns. You will really have to see it in person to capture the beauty in it. Like, the camera does it no justice. I love it.